We know the storms, cyclonic storms, wind storms, sandstorms, desert storms. How about solar storms? Solar storms, solar emissions, coronal mass ejection, where this charged particles and magnetic field enters into the heliosphere, where it reacts and interfere with our earth magnetic field, disrupts radio signals, internet connections, communication, and also emits good lights, aurora, where we experience at North Pole and South Pole, but experience because of these solar emissions. It's a very interesting thing, learn it.